France has been an important trading partner for India for many years now. Smart Factory India and Indo French Business Meet recently organized in Delhi to enhance the business relations between small and medium-sized enterprises of India and France, with a special focus on aeronautics, healthcare and automobiles.
The idea behind the Smart Factory event was to promote the digitalization and the optimization of the production units that we have in France and adapting them to the Indian market. It is very important that the French that want to work here get into the groove and understand how the Indians are working. So the idea behind that was not only to bring the companies that have already been successful here, and to this day we have 600 French companies established in India. They currently employ over 350,000 employees, but we need more SMEs, and our agency is there to promote and to bring in more SMEs on the Indian market. The idea is not to copy-paste French technology, but to come here, co-develop, co-innovate, so that we can together bring in a new era for the manufacturing in India.
French team in India, the Business France or the Indo French chambers are very, very friendly. They're very supportive. I would say they make impossible as I am possible. So that's the whole beauty about the current relationship existence which we have between the two countries. And even for us as a French company, we're enjoying this relationship locally in India.
French companies who have been here, they came since India's independence. So some were there at the early stage, but the maximum of the French companies came at the beginnings of the year 2000s. So they came, and first there were big groups, the major groups, the conglomerates that are part of our stock exchange. So 37 out of the 40 of our CAC 40 stock exchange rating are here today. Now, more and more we see tier 1, tier 2 suppliers. So the first tier 1 and tier 2 suppliers came to assist the OEMs in the automotive sector. Little by little we see companies coming in the retail sector. Then we saw companies coming in the agro sector, and also in pharmaceuticals and in healthcare. So now we can say that the French companies are interested in all areas of India's economy.
If you look at the last few years, there has been a very, very strong thrust from the government to bring up the fintech and the tech part much more stronger, aligned with the Indian government. So working closely, the policy makers like Niti Aayog or Invest India are working very closely with Business France and the French embassy to bring up that innovation and the center of excellence is set up in India. It was not seen before. The big thrust on Make in India and Digital India today. It's easier for us to get the right talent as a French company than it was earlier, because not only the government in India, even there is a strong push from France's side to make it happen. And hence, we're able to acquire the right talent, we're able to get the right talent trained, and then get them adjusted into our ecosystem.
We are a French company established in India since 2009, actually. This is a market looking for technology. This is a growing market, and this is a way for us to install in India to support the Make in India. First, we were well supported to get information on the market, to get information of the possibilities in India, thanks to Business France, but also thanks to the different authorities. On our case, we were also employing a lot of Indian engineers, Indian operators, and we were doing a lot of training in India, but as well in France.
Aeronautics is a company specialized into machinery, CNC machinery for bending wire and tubes mainly. Today, Aeronautics is exporting 90% of its production worldwide. we are not facing special problems or special issues in India because we are trained to this and our teams is very good for this. Of course, you have a special way for deal, and we have to improve our system to be more efficient on your market, this for sure.
Experience has been a mixed bag. It has been good, it has been difficult. Indian market, it's very price oriented. So that is a big challenge for us on how to come to deliver a product which is at the same time quality and at the same time at the good price level.